I'm on stage 1, the second week, and it's time to pull the barrel off and rinse off the rocks and see how they're doing. I should have done this at 7 days, so I should have done it yesterday, but it was 8 days, but should be okay. So we're going to pull them off, wash them off, and see what they look like. And I'm just looking at the barrel, and you can see where it's been scraping up against the actual tumbler. I'll have to see about doing something. I might just reverse them. It doesn't look like the rubber's wearing off when they run that way. But I might have to do something different so it doesn't keep rubbing. I might have to adjust the parallel the bars. They were set parallel, but I might have to do something. As you can see, this one is the second barrel and it's just walking towards the front. I might have to just make an adjustment, and that's okay. Let's open it up. Some don't appear to be quite ready, maybe run again, but I'm getting impatient, so I'm just going on to the next stage. That one's, where's that? That one really, this is pretty neat there. This one shines pretty good. Alright, I got a decision now, because a lot of this stuff is not ready to go. There's a few pieces down here that are ready to go. This one down here, I've got abandoned through it. He's neat. This guy's twice the size and has a little pebble on him again. This guy's got the little orbs in it. He's ready. This guy might be ready. A lot of the rest of the stuff might not. I might go grab a handful of other rocks, put them in. Some of these just might not go at all. Like this guy here has some cracks in it. I don't think those are ever going to come out. Same with this guy. I don't know if I go into a demo pool. I might abandon part of these rocks just because they're not coming out right. I need to do some thinking here. Alright, so I decided I'm going to put a halt in this run for right now. These are the ones that are ready to go on stage 2. These, they're going to be in stage 1 forever, so I'm going to put them here. I'm probably going to get a diamond bit for my demo tool, and I'm going to see if I can massage some of those and help them along, run them through stage 1 again with some other stuff from the patty pit. And I'm going to use the barrel for another stage 1 for something else in the meantime. Okay, so I made some adjustments to run my barrels parallel, my bars parallel for the barrels. They were sitting at 2 inches and 5.58 and 2 inches and 5.55, so it's only 3/1000 off. I adjusted it. Now it's not creeping as bad, so I don't think I'm really going to have a problem. If I do, I didn't measure the barrels. They're not straight, so they're actually cone shaped to a degree. That probably has to do with the molding process. I don't think it's going to be a problem for me though. I'm going to Now you have to make a bumper or something like that, or I'm just gonna have to make solid end plates and machine those over on the milling machine over there, a third machine down. But we'll see.